Today, I'll show you how to perform a ball roll on FC25. So ideally a ball roll is rolling the ball on the turf. So let me show you an example.
Well, a bit of a clumsy challenge, and the ref blows for a free kick.
So this is the ball roll. No, so not that one, sorry.
Promising looking attack, but it's come to nothing.
So that is the ball roll. And to do this, you simply use the right analog stick. So you can flick it in whichever direction you prefer. So for me, you can flick it all around and the player will perform a ball roll. So not only that, but also you can perform it while moving, rather, as you can see, just to outsmart the opponent. So basically, you just need to use the right analog stick. That's it. That's the only button that needs to be used to perform a ball roll. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.